talk about some basics of the organizational field. I really want to challenge you. Talk about some basics of the organizational field. So TA for organizations, there is a lot of literature up to now. It started with Berne and then through a lot of people in different countries. I don't want to mention them. And so the current organizational research question is still, what are good configurations that lead to the success of an organization? A configuration is a combination of variables, so to say. What has to be in an organization that the organization comes to success? And this is not only one way. There is not only one precise idea about that. It's some ways lead to Rome. There are different ways that lead to Rome. Scientific term for it is equifinality. So I'd like to talk a bit about, and then we will have in between, we have a break and you can ask questions, and at the end of the workshop also we have time to ask, and therefore so feel free. I'm guided by a special model of system dynamics that is an organizational TA model. You will not find something about ego states and scripts on this level, but it's a more meta level to describe an organization. To look at an organization, you have to look at the system structure first. That means that you look at the attention. Where is the real attention of the people in the organization? Are they committed to what they have to do or what they should do? Or do they have some other aspects or some other doings or thinkings that they have in the organization? A second piece that I'm looking at are the roles. Maybe you know that Bernd Schmidt received the Eric Berne Memorial Award for his contribution about roles as some kind of further development of ego states, so to say, ego states in systems he calls roles. Then I look at system relations. What are the relationships in an organization, and therefore in this area, basic terms of TA like the frame of reference, or symbiosis is very important. How are the transactions of people? Are there games in an organization? That is all typical for the system relations. Then I look at three basic processes that you have in every organization. In every organization there is communication, in every organization there is problem solving, and in every organization there is success or not success. So you know, you also can go deeper into these terms like communication. We talk about transaction and also about games. In terms of problem solving, we talk about discounting and accounting. And in terms of success, we can remember Eric Berne's so-called process scripts, how people come to success or don't come to success. So this is a meta perspective.